Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you a quick fix rice and egg stew. I'm going to prepare my vegetables here. Bell pepper here. I'm going to discard the seeds. And then I'll quickly wash my pepper here. The African way. I have my pot here. I'm going to go in with my oil. And then I'll go in with my chopped onion. My onions are just ready. I'm now going to go in with some water. And then I'll bring this water to a boil. I'll go in with my rice now. And this is basmati rice. I'll mix this up and then I'll let my rice cook. And then moving on, I have my bowl here, and then right here I have 4 eggs. I'm going to go ahead and put my eggs here. And then I'll go in with a pinch of salt to taste. Then I'll beat my egg up. My rice is just ready now. I have my pot here. I'm going to go in with my oil. I'm now going to go in with my eggs. My egg is just ready. I'm going to remove it and set it aside. I'm going to go in with a little more oil. And then I'll add in my chopped onion. I'm going to go in with some crushed ginger and garlic paste. I'll fry them together to golden brown. My onions are just ready. I'm going to go in with my chopped green pepper. I'm now going to go in with my tomato and coriander. I'll mix this up. I'm also going to go in with some salt to taste. I'll mix it up again, and then I'll go ahead and cover these so my tomatoes can soften. And then I'll go in with some seasoning. Since I'm going to be having this with rice, I'm just going to go in with some cardamom, some black pepper, and some cayenne pepper. A tablespoon of cardamom and it's ground cardamom. A quarter tablespoon of black pepper, and then I'll go in with a quarter tablespoon of cayenne pepper too. The cayenne and the black pepper are meant to give it heat. I'm going to mix this up together well. This egg recipe that I'll be sharing with you today is from my elder sister. She loved it a lot. I'm going to now go in with my eggs. And then I'll mix this up together. As you can see, I used my spoon to break my eggs into pieces like this. I don't know how you love your eggs For me, I love it when my eggs are together like this and they're a little compact. If you love it the tomato way, you soften your tomatoes and then you go in with your eggs, then just how you want it. Yeah. Now I'm going to go in with some water. I'm going to mix this up and then I'll give it a taste just to check on my salt. It needs to cook until the water drains most of it. This is just ready now. I'm now going to go ahead and serve my dinner now. And here is my stew. Look at that. Oh my god. The top. I hope you like this simple and easy dinner/lunch recipe that you can quickly try at home. It's a quick fix recipe that I know you're going to love if you eat eggs. Yeah. Thanks for watching and kindly subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos and check out the playlist that I created on my channel. I know you're going to love a bunch of videos in there. See you in my next video. Bye.